Well, last night I dropped in the face match thing. So, while coming from Andheri, somewhere near Bandra, on a running moped, my face was smashed on a running moped. I was riding my bike fast in full speed, and someone smashed my face. So, same a friend of mine died, Babu Pawar, in an accident, and he was taken to a hospital, and he never made it out of that hospital. So it was the same plan. They want to put me into the car. The car came there that I'll take you to the hospital. I was like, go fuck yourself. I was like, go fuck yourself. In that thing, I came home back. Everyone says that it's an accident, but I don't believe that shit. No bones broken rather than face, because they wanted to smash my face because of that shooting content, and they could say they are that guy, the one who did shooting footages. So I took the moped, I came back home, and what do you call it? I took a painkiller and I slept. I woke up in the morning. Then I started drinking again, and I see my vodka, white colored, was turning into red while taking each every sip, and it was coming out from nose. I went to the hospital. I told my mother, look, it's coming from nose, so let's stitch it up. And when doctors said, it's a serious condition. How did you survive this? Well, I don't know. I fucking don't know. And what happened to you? How you came back? So I rode my moped and I came back. What the fuck are you saying? Doctors were like, what the fuck are you saying? You're like, yeah, that's the truth. You can get the surveillance as well. So, on a running moped, my face was smashed. And over that, they gave me a threat. Cops made false report. Over that, they gave me a threat. Now you know why I could travel with AK-47 as well. And I didn't thought of a single minute to answer that threat. Now you know why I can move anywhere with AK-47. I just need to get my hands on them. Cops won't stop me. Did they stop those murder attempts? No. Did they stop the threateners? Did they make the right reports? Are they in prison? Nope. Nope. So, are they in prison? Nope. Who smashed my face? There was a nail here. On a running moped, who puts that? So a rod had a nail. So it nail pierced into and stabbed my tongue as well. A maxilla bone. What do you call it? Maxilla bone or maxilla bone, I guess, was smashed. People say you get blurry visions after such accidents and all. I was not. I rode my moped back to my house, and I started drinking again. And I thought I only need a stitch, until I found out it's a severe accident. I'm really a blood-borne guy. Nah? Are these cameras? Are this guy? Are they this guy? Are there children, sir? Siblings? Are they this guy? Can they survive this? Will they survive this? I guess they will survive this. Let it happen to one, right? or all. So it was the bank transaction which was done today in the morning, because the bubbly sent some money to my sister yesterday, which I informed my mother to get the screenshot so I could get that number name on record. And today they wanted to frame me for that bank thing. Then the best part is I don't speak with the sister from Pune. I don't speak with her. Because in 2024, somewhere in February, I she updated the Aadhaar card, and it happened. It went till the police station. That issue. She used to call my mother and ask for your OTP, and in suspicion, I dropped that to police. And I don't speak with her. And fake bank account sends the money, and today the same fake bank account does the transaction of the tea stall and some third party films, which means the email ID is been controlled by the same person, and the bombing threats as well. You get this shit, how shit is connected? They gave their own people. So in identity fraud, someone is gonna bomb any country using my email ID. That's what the word was in 2022. Some fake bankers, fake identities, face smashers. Will you fucking survive this? I waited for the police false reports to be get stamped in court. It holds the information that 3 years they allowed scammers to loot me. It comes on record. And all my complaints were for real. So, will you survive this?